Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade dosa. You'll want to soak your rice and lentils separately for at least 4 hours or even overnight. This step is crucial for a smooth batter and proper fermentation. Remember to add a small amount of fenugreek seeds to your lentils. They really help with the fermentation process and add a lovely flavor. Once soaked, it's time to grind. Combine your soaked rice and lentils along with the fenugreek seeds in a grinder. Add water gradually, just enough to create a smooth, thick batter. The consistency should be similar to pancake batter, but a little thicker. Grind until there are no lumps, ensuring a perfectly smooth texture. Now for the magic, fermentation. Cover your batter and let it sit in a warm spot for 8 to 12 hours. You'll know it's ready when it has doubled in volume and has a slightly sour, pleasant aroma. This fermentation is key to the dosa's characteristic flavor and crispy texture. Give it a gentle stir before you start cooking. Finally, let's cook. Heat a non-stick griddle or cast iron pan to medium-high. Pour a ladleful of batter onto the center and quickly spread it outwards in a circular motion to form a thin circle. Drizzle a little oil around the edges. Cook until it's golden brown and crispy, then flip and cook briefly on the other side. Serve hot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.